These dual needle white face air gauges with amber backlight are ideal for any suspension system with a maximum pressure of 200 psi. Will measure 4 sources of air pressure on 2 scales of 0 to 220 psi and 0 to 14 bar. Each gauge has 2 1/8 of an inch NPT male fittings on the back and includes 4 1/8 of an inch NPT female compression fittings for 1/4 of an inch outer diameter airline. Comes with 4 3-position momentary rocker switches and a black powder painted metal dash panel.